When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 23, SCON Design is the name you can trust. With their expertise and experience in the field, they offer comprehensive survey services that cater to the specific needs of clients in this region. Their attention to detail and commitment to delivering accurate and reliable information sets them apart from other survey service providers in Gurgaon. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate survey data in the engineering and construction industry. That's why their team of highly skilled professionals uses the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and data collection. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale development, they have the capability to handle all types of surveys, from topographic surveys to boundary surveys and everything in between. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is a preferred choice for detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 23 is their in-depth knowledge of the local area. They not only have a clear understanding of the terrain and geographical features, but also have access to relevant maps and records. This enables them to provide accurate and up-to-date survey information that is essential for successful engineering projects. Another aspect that sets SCON Design apart is their commitment to delivering quality results within the agreed timeframe. They understand that time is of the essence in engineering and construction projects, and any delays can have significant implications. Therefore, they prioritize efficiency and ensure that their survey services are completed on time, without compromising on accuracy or quality. Moreover, SCON Design also offers customized survey solutions tailored to the specific requirements of clients in Gurgaon Sector 23. DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping by ensuring precise and accurate measurements for a number of projects. One such area where the abilities of DGPS surveyors are in high demand is Sector 23 in Gurgaon. The demand for land surveying services is increasing as a result of the significant expansion and urbanization that are taking place in Gurgaon, a city in the Indian state of Haryana. Modern equipment and technology enable DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 to carry out surveys efficiently. Sector 23, a renowned residential and commercial neighborhood in Gurgaon, is rapidly developing its infrastructure. With an increase in building, utility, and real estate projects, accurate land surveying becomes increasingly important. Gurgaon Sector 23 DGPS surveyors utilize the Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology to obtain precise measurements that are superior to those made using traditional surveying techniques. They receive data from a large number of satellites using high-tech equipment and software, enabling them to pinpoint the exact location and elevation of various sites on the ground. SCON Design is a well-known business in Gurgaon that specializes in providing comprehensive mapping and land surveying solutions. They can